Cleansing also helps to keep the pores clear and reduce the risk of skin irritation. When cleansing the face, it is important to use a gentle cleanser that is suitable for your skin type. Those with dry skin should use a cleanser that is hydrating, while those with oily skin should use a cleanser that is oil-free. It is also important to use lukewarm water when cleansing the face, as hot water can dry out the skin. When cleansing the face, it is important to use circular motions and to avoid scrubbing the skin too hard. This can help to avoid irritating the skin. After cleansing, it is important to rinse the face with lukewarm water and to pat the skin dry with a soft towel. In addition to using a cleanser, it is also important to use a toner. Toners help to remove any remaining impurities and can help to balance the skin's pH levels. They can also help to reduce the appearance of pores and smooth the skin's texture. Finally, it is important to moisturize the skin after cleansing. Moisturizers can help to keep the skin hydrated and reduce the appearance of dryness and wrinkles. It is important to choose a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type and to apply it liberally. By following these steps, you can ensure that your skin is properly cleansed and that it is well hydrated. Taking the time to properly cleanse and moisturize the skin can help to reduce the risk of skin irritation and improve the overall appearance of the skin. Keeping your face clear and clean is essential for a healthy complexion and prevention of clogged pores, blackheads, breakouts, and dull skin. While washing too frequently can dry out the skin, not washing enough leaves pores open and clogged with oil, dirt, and product buildup. Finding the right balance of cleansing frequency and technique for your skin type is important. For normal or oily skin, washing twice a day is typical and recommended, once in the morning and once at night before bed. Use lukewarm water and a mild cleanser or oil cleanser based on products containing coconut, jojoba, sweet almond, or safflower oils. Gently massage your cleanser into your skin with your fingertips and rinse thoroughly with water. Apply cleansing toners, especially those containing witch hazel or rose water, to tighten pores and remove any remaining residue after washing. For an extra deep cleanse in the evening, use a clay mask containing kaolin or bentonite to detoxify skin and suck out impurities. Be sure to always follow directions and rinse or wipe off the product thoroughly after the recommended time to avoid irritation. Those with dry skin should wash only once per day, at night before bed. Use a hydrating cream cleanser and lukewarm water. Washing too frequently can strip skin of its natural oils. Instead, use a micellar water to spot treat any excessively oily areas during the day. Moisturize daily right after cleansing to prevent dryness and irritation. For combination skin, focus on the oily T-zone while also hydrating dry areas. Use oil-based cleansers on the T-zone and alcohol-free toners and richer creams on dry cheeks and forehead.